joining me. I'm in Guatemala at Lake Atitlan right now. It's quite something. I haven't been to Guatemala in a couple years, and I've been thinking about it ever since I left, so I'm really happy to be back. And just wanted to do a short bedtime sequence here, so just really slow, winding down. It'll be short and sweet and just a real boost and hopefully a sleep enhancer, just to kind of wind you down. Yeah. Let's take the hands down to the thighs. You can lay them palm up or you can lay them palm down, whatever feels better. Down is kind of in a gesture of receiving. So maybe if you're wanting to bring in more of the grounding, then maybe palm down is good. Just take a moment and we will connect with our breath. So we just want to bring awareness to the inhale. So as we fill up, we trace and follow the inhale all the way in. And do the same as we come out. Again, in and out. Maybe bring the hands to the heart, the hand to the belly a couple more times like this. Feel yourself expand in and out. Once more. And release. And just very slowly, we're going to circle about 3 times each direction. Beautiful. And we'll take just a little twist. So twisting towards the right. Inhale here. Exhale here. Inhale, come to center, and exhale, twist to the left. Stay here for a round of breath in and out. And coming back to center. And take a couple forward folds. And this really promotes a coming in, taking all the outside distractions and begin to come into center. So, here's the way we can do. We'll take Supta Baddha Konasana, just soles of the feet together. You can take a bolster. You can also take you can take a block even on top of the bolster. You could also do a unicorn. The unicorn is when you take the bolster to the crown of the head like this. So lots of different options. But we're going to fold forward. And we're not thinking about so much length. So we're just thinking about rounding. So you're going to round the back. Let yourself fold forward, coming inside. Yeah. So I'll need a little bit more here. So just maneuver whatever you have to help you fold. That's the breakfast gong. It is breakfast time, but I'm still sleepy, so that's why we're doing bedtime yoga. You can do bedtime yoga at any time. I'm busted. I got busted with the breakfast gong. Now you all know. This is also be a great slow morning wake up. 3 more rounds of breath. And slowly rolling up. Maybe rotating the neck. Finding a sway in the we'll come into a belly down twist. I really like this one. So I'll show you how to set this up. So we're going to bring the legs kind of like the top of the shin will come parallel to the mat, and the other legs are off. The other leg is off to the side. So there's kind of like two right angles, 2 90-degree angles. Yeah. We're going to bring the bolster over towards the left side of the hip. So we'll start on the same side, left side of the hip. We're going to press down through the sit bones to help to lengthen the crown, lengthen the spine. We're going to twist towards the bolster. Maybe you need to bring yourself a little bit more around. It depends on your body. But we're going to lay down on the bolster. So I need to come a little bit more forward here, rolling the right hip forward, and then coming down onto the bolster. You can turn your head to either direction. More around the breath will sit side. You're going to place the hands down, press down into the earth. We'll wave the spine a couple times. So maybe just some slight undulation here. Just get the spine loose for sleep, and then we'll switch sides. So bring the bolster towards the other side of the mat. Getting the legs prepared. They're both going, the feet are going towards the left side. And the bolster's coming out of the right hip. We're going to twist. Press down to lift up, so grow the spine. And then twist towards the right and begin to lay sweetly your body down. I easily sleep like this. I'm a side sleeper, but this is one of the ones I can just go out in a second. I have my nice cup of rose tea here. Rose is a really nice tea for relaxation. One more big inhale. Sigh it out. Begin to plant the hands, bring them wide. Maybe this time you kind of go side to side as you come back up. And push yourself up. Only long enough to come back down, so we'll just spiral. Bring the body down onto the back. Bring the knees into the chest, hug in, roll side to side. Grab your bolster or your blanket or your pillow. We're going to lift the hips up. And for a moment, bring the legs up. So you can take the hands and even kind of hold them if you don't want to have to hold your legs up at all. Or you can just lift them and let them drain. So this is Viparita Karani, also called waterfall pose or legs up the wall. If you have a wall, just post them up against the wall. It feels good. And it's really has this downward energy. So many different ways. Stay here for just a moment. Letting the downward current of energy take hold, just to ground, to settle. You can lift the hips, bring them down. And we'll take a lazy baby. So not happy baby, lazy baby. You can still grab for the feet, but the knees can be in. The feet don't have to be up. See, I'm getting really relaxed and my cues aren't making sense, but just rock side to side slightly. I'm still getting some opening in the hips, but it's very, very soft. So the feet are towards each other, and we're just going to lay the legs down in Supta Baddha Konasana. So we did this when we were seated, the soles of the feet together. The knees are wide. You can take bolsters underneath the knees, pillows underneath the knees are really nice to support. Take one hand to the heart, one hand to the belly. We're just going to breathe into the hands and let the hands have a little bit of a weight to them as well. You're kind of breathing up into. Again, encouraging this downward energy. One more inhale. Audible exhale. Extend the legs long. Let the arms come out. I'm going to leave you here either in Shavasana or to go ahead and take a nap or to take your rest. Thank you for letting me be part of your practice, and I hope you found some benefit of this. I'll see you next time.